This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
$4,581 good job, guys. Complimentary, everybody. Andy Daddy in the house. I've been good at it. Hit the 200x on the 2 and 250x on the 5 earlier. Not bad, Snail. Not bad, bro. That's amazing. Hold on, what's up, man? How you doing? I love you, Daddy. Lonsky, I love you too, baby. Hey, yo, guys, can we give some love for the chat mod, Nicolosi, please, as well? Baton Crazy, because he's MVP. Come on, he's the most valuable player. You know, he's our chat mod, keeps the chat clean. He's a great guy. So come on, guys, give a shout out for Nicolosi. He's an amazing dude over there. Come on, guys. Give some love for my chat mod, boys. Give some love for chat mod. Come on. I want to see some love for chat mod, Nicolosi. Come on, guys. Let's get her body. Let's go, boys and girls. Woo! There we go. You're the best. There we go. Love Nicolosi says millionaire. Thank you, dude. There we go, guys. And they're fine right now. Nicolosi, let's go. Thank you, guys. Evan, thank you. Thank you for a shout out, guys. Thank you for a shout out for Mr. Nicolosi. Thank you, guys. 35, 40x, 50x, 200x in the middle, and 1 double, guys. Let's go, guys. Okay, where we drop it, the drop zone right in the middle. Guys, best of luck. We need that 200x ASAP. So come on. So be good to us. Be good, be good, be good. Just be good. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, hell yeah. Oh. Oh.
This is the amount of money issued 624,149 euros.
Sweat the top 5. Good job, babe. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Oh, man. Hello, you too, Gunk. Baby. You're welcome. Look at me. You're welcome, Chelsea Mad over there. Guy, Manuela. Top 5. Good job, guys. Compliments, buddy. Do you have teeth? Loser. What the heck is that kind of question, bro? Let's go. Come on, this section is horrible. Drill said I get banned because I knew Benny's real name and Instagram. No, you shouldn't have say those things. Mikey, you don't say those things in here. Ludicrous, hi. 5x Cashin. Mikey. I'm sad, make me laugh. Ooga booga. That's a 5 times Cashin, guys. Woo-wee. Let's go, everybody. Let's make some money. All right, let's see what's gonna be the max multiplier. The max multiplier gotta be 100x. So it's gonna be 500x now because everything gotta be multiplied by 5x right now. Like, whoosh. Let's go. Look at all these multipliers. 250, 125, 50x, 25x. I think the 25 is the lowest, I think. So let's go, guys. I knew you could do dinosaurs so crazy. Because I'm your baby. Because I'm your bestie. I'm your bestie, baby, from Latvia, Riga, baby. Because you my baby, I'm your baby. Me and you together, we're like 2 babies. Baby. Okay, guys. Choose your flappers. Flappers? What the heck I said? Choose your segment, You can trust AutoPick as well. Okay, here's your multipliers and 500x's right over there. All right, the 5th.
This is the amount of money issued 257,101 euros.
After what be struck a lucky JJ1, that's top 5. Good job, guys. Compliment everybody. Very nice. Let's go, everybody. Beautiful. What a beautiful day. Ba-ba, ba-ba. Hello, Gerald. Happy New Year. How's it going there? Good to see you there, my guy. I hope you're good. Only 50.
Watching, that's all cool as well. Stay around, see. Maybe your streak will start. Maybe your wave will begin soon, and you'll be able to jump in. Ну, почему бы не посмотреть, Нурик? Тоже можно что-то понять. Артем, Riga. This place is in Riga. Good luck. Well, where do you like to travel? Куда любите путешествовать? 2x and coin flip. Please come back. Woo! Hallelujah. 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 Okay, we got a coin flip with a 2x. Something dear Johnny. Hello, good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see what kind of original deals we get. Wow! We got a 200x on the red side. Everybody do a big meow. Yes! Meow.
This is the amount of money issued for 172,752 euros.
And Nick got the most of 41,000 euros, but Kajor got the second, third place. The power of meow, guys. The power of meow. Right in time's closing soon. That was cool. Unexpected and nice. All good here, Johnny.
Bets plays. Well, I'm afraid that's all up to you, Saga. Come on. I wish you the best of luck, yes? That's the best I can do. Forex crazy time. Back to the crazy world, and this crazy time has a 4x attached to it. Hey, we're making it crazy! Extra crazy. Follow me! Of course it is crazy time. Our third one this session, and this one. Oh, we're going hard on this one. Multiplying those multipliers. Oh, there you go. Choose your favorite colored flapper. Green, blue, yellow. You go, go, go. I see the maximum multiplier of 400x. Get that, please. Alrighty. It's already 200 for yellow. That is great. Team Green for a chance of 800x. Let's go, I say. Well, how about 120 on that? Well done.
This is the amount of money issued, 45,823 euros.
What a beautiful, crazy time. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. A glorious, crazy time, especially Team Yellow with a 200.
1,850x, you got it? That's so amazing to hear. Congratulations. Let's make a spin. Come on, Flapper, give me a crazy time. Crazy time with the 4x stuff. So imagine, guys, imagine if we can have that. Come on. Yay! Woohoo! There we go. That's a crazy time with the 4x stop slot. See? Yay! Guys, let's open the red door! Hooray, everyone! That's a 4x stop slot for the biggest wheel. Crazy time! The one and only crazy time! Now we are updating the 4x to the entire wheel. And how much it can be, guys? How much it can be? So before that, you have to choose your favorite flapper. It's like green, blue, yellow. Which one you would pick? As I can see, majority is going for the blue flapper. And it's time to see. Max multiply is 400x. But we need a lot of doubles. 1, 2, 3, more doubles, please. Double for the yellow flapper, and now we are doubling the whole wheel. As you can see, now it's 800x is the highest on the wheel, but we need one more double. Time to go. That's a 120x for the yellow flapper. Green.
This is the amount of money issued 53,997 euros.
So, fabulous winning everyone. Thousands for 20. Coffee with some bread, or what did you have? Tell me. Second place your bets everyone. I don't see a chat moderator here, okay? Only thing I can say, 4x top slot, crazy time. The winning amount was 100x for the blue, no, 100x for the green, and blue got 60x and yellow got 120x. Come on! Yay! That's a crazy time! Woohoo! A 3x top slot! Oh! It's time to go! It's for Tootsie Roll then. A 3x top slot for crazy time. Let's go. Amazing everyone! A top slot for our favorite bonus crazy time. Welcome to the biggest wheel of crazy time. Now we are updating 3x to the entire wheel. Time to pick your favorite flapper, everyone. Blue, yellow, green. Which one? So majority is going for the blue. So max multiply is 600x on the wheel, the highest. But let's get a lot of double. 1, 2, 3. Time to go for double. Woohoo! 150x for the yellow and the green flag.
This is the amount of money issued 48,850 for euros.
Yellow is so lucky all the time. 1,000.
How's your weekend going? Well, if it's not going too good, I hope that we will change with this session. Let's see. The bets will soon close, so don't forget your tickets. And bets are closed. Good luck. Cash hunt is multiplied by 5 by the top slot. Nice top slot. Now let's go get the cash hunt from the wheel as well, not only from the top slot. Let's go swing if we reach it. Hopefully we will. Let's head it towards. Let's go get our fingers crossed. And we are getting the cash hunt. Woo! Okay, let's go hunting. Here we are in the cash hunt. Beautiful, beautiful cash hunt. With beautiful, beautiful multipliers this time. Well, the highest so far is 100, as I see, but that's not it, guys. We have the top slot, so now let's multiply them by 5. Woo! And the highest multiplier is 500. Good luck, you guys. We will now cover them up, mix them up, and you will do some matching. Hopefully with that 500 that is hiding somewhere on the screen. Let's see which cupcake is your favorite. Or which bunny, ducky, cactus. I don't know. That's your pick completely. Or not yours at all. The time for you to make your decision is now. And if you don't make it in time, the system will do so for you. Let's see which ducky or this target is hiding the 500x multiplier. And here is the big reveal. Too many similar colors. I do not see the 500.
This is the amount of money issued 46,289 euros.
Congratulations to 1,118 lovely winners. Let's go again. Beautiful cash hunt. Hope you were lucky in it. Bets are closed. Good luck.
What did I do in Lithuania? I can tell you what I didn't do in Lithuania. Yeah, please do tell. Nico, we want to talk about it again? Guess we can. No. Let's go. Oi, 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 oi. 25x cash runs. Ooh. Ah. Yeah. So how you doing, Nico? How do you pop into the session? Either at the weirdest times or at the times that you're being mentioned? Yo, everyone, don't panic, nobody breathe. That's Gashan with 25x, everyone. This has happened. Big win, we made it here. Look at that. What's good? 500 plus 500? Okay, no, there's 100 extra here is the highest initially, but a lot of 75s though, so I'll take it. Time is 25. So 2,500x is the highest win available on the screen. Everything's so beautiful, no matter where you shoot it, we'll get something juicy. Let's get it. We got it, Nico, we got it. Wow. So everybody's been waiting and expecting for something big. Here we go. We made it here. Barrett's going duck. Yeah, it's time. Decision time. Go ahead, choose your target, everyone. I will choose with you. Okay. I'm also going for them ducks. This ducky here is mine. Real time. 254 minutes. What is that? 2,500. I don't know.
This is the amount of money issued to 171,529 euros.
My compliments, everybody. That's what happened. Campbell, top winner with 1,230x. Good aim right there. Nicely done. Betting time's yours. Nico, did you have stroke before? In all caps as well.